I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 Mitsubishi Outlander. It's not as simple or as intuitive as you might think. Normally you can just go over to the piece of equipment and click on either info menu or whatever, but there's nothing there to help you delete it. Normally, again, you can click on the phone, go into it, knock the phone off, but with this you can't. What you have to do is the voice control. Setup.
Barry's iPhone
is connected. Ready.
Setup.
Select one of the following: pairing options, confirmation prompts, language, password, select phone, or select music player.
Pairing options.
Select one of the following: pair, edit, delete, list, or set code.
Delete.
Please say 1 for
Barry's iPhone
or all.
1.
Deleting.
Barry's iPhone.
Is this correct?
Yes.
Deleted.
That's it. You'll see it's gone.